Hey guys, this is a video of my blow up that I got today. Here it is, and now we're going to watch. I'll put this right there. Here we go. As you can see, it's starting to move now. And there it goes down. It's about to go up. See? Look, I made a mistake first. And now it will move. So watch, see? There it goes, blowing up. This is a cool blow up. And there's the propeller right there. See? And when we plug it in, it only takes 1 second for it to blow up. And there it goes. See? And this white thing right here, that's the cable to pull it up and down. And when it's unplugged while it's in the air, when it stops in the air, which is pretty weird. And there's the zipper down there to let all the air come out. And that's my blow up that I got today, my new blow up. And that's it.